Good afternoon, everyone. Got a new mold, and I think I'm going to pour this in Magic Pour, and we're going to try some marbling with it. And instead of, I think I'm going to use the marbling paint, but we're not going to use, or the marbling, the water marbling, but we're not going to use it with water marbling. I'm just going to use straight up the water marbling paint. And Riley's here today, and she decided we're going to use green and black. So, without further ado, we're going to mix up the Magic Pour. So hopefully this is enough, because this is all I got. So I'm going to go ahead and mix in the water. I told her she could watch this time, and then next time maybe she can help make some of this.
Why does it look like that?
Because it's, and I think I poured too much water.
I don't think it's supposed to be that watery.
No, it's not.
It's okay. There's always stickies.
I still got some stuck on the bottom, so. It'll be alright.
I hope it still works.
It'll thicken up.
Crossing our fingers and hoping it works. We tried one. We first tried it for an experiment. Got messed up with it, but we're trying it again. Let's try this again.
Cross our fingers, right?
Yep. People say cross your heart and hope to die. Cross your heart and hope it works.
That's right. Alright, I think I got all the lumps out. Bumps.
Lumps, gumps, and bumps. I just made that up.
Now, I've never used this water marbling stuff without doing it the way we did it that one day, but we're just going to give it a experiment day. I'm not open this over here because it gooed all over everything when I shook it.
I told you. Told you that's probably gonna explode. Explode. We do have another bowl, but we thought it was too small. Maybe we should have used it. But it's always okay. We got two different size of bowls, large and small.
And this is water-based, so
It's gonna be a little watery.
I'm going to add quite a bit just because.
I feel like the black is gonna take over the green, so we might have to add a little extra green. Whoa, that looks so cool. It didn't explode as much as the black did. Oh my gosh, I'm about to fall.
And now the green. Oh, I just want to make sure you can be able to see it. So, all right, we're going to give it a stir.
Whoa. When you mixed it the first time, it looked yellow from over where I'm
Now,
at.
I don't even know if this is going to work, so we're going to give her a shot. All right, get these messes out of the way here. And here we go.
I'm scared. Oh, it looks so cool. Whoa. It's crazy how that does that. Yeah, we had enough. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. I think I might need to get another one.
Gosh, Riley, we have just enough. Must be you. You're the good luck charm.
Famous, finally. Always wanted to be famous. I think you launched a little bit somewhere. There's just enough. When the black and the green mix together, it looks like weird.
It looks like baby poop, doesn't it?
Yes, it looks like Parker's running poop.
We're gonna give it some tappy wappies. Jiggly wigglies.
Make it looks like an ocean. Deserted island around it.
And I don't even know. This stuff may not even mix in here, but we'll see.
And if it comes out runny. We've had that happen before.
Oh,
okay.
it's already setting up.
It's thick. It's thick.
Trying to push this color away from the sides as much as possible. But we'll see.
Looks like it's starting to mix together.
Looks to me like it's all floating to the back,
No floating.
like mica powder does.
Yes, mica powder always floats to the back. It's annoying.
All right, guys, we'll see you for the end results. Hopefully
The
we get a
demoldization.
little bit of color, but we'll see.
We'll see, because we'll see at the demoldization.
All right, we'll see you in a little bit, guys. Takes about 30 to 40 minutes to cure, so we'll see you then.
Bye.
Okay, it's time to take this out of the mold. I think all of our color sunk to the bottom. Almost 100% sure it did. All of it but one spot. I mean, you can still kind of see it. It's wet, really wet. There's some right there. There's some right there, there. I mean, you can kind of see it in there. Can you see it? But it's really wet still. At the back, that's what it looks like. It's rough. I can sand that though, make it smooth. Riley, I don't think our color worked.
Did it?
I mean, it worked okay, but not like it should have.
I mean, it looks fine. It looks really good. I mean, we always got extra tries too when we get more of the Magic Pour stuff.
I mean, you can see it, you know, in places, but
Third shots. 'Cause
I gotta buy some more Magic Pour first, but there's our tray.
we made another one, but we used polyurethane, so it's not the Magic Pour, and it did not turn out like how it was supposed to.
It was a complete fail.
But mistakes happen. That's when we learn from them. So
Yeah. Alright, guys, once this gets dry, I will seal it and
see you later.
we'll see what happens. Once it dries, it'll be darker, a little bit darker, and
Maybe add a silver or gold edges to it. Maybe.
yeah,
We'll see.
we'll see what happens. Maybe some silver, since it was black, since we used black.
I don't think gold and black goes well together.
Yeah.
I mean, gold and black, not silver and black.
Yeah, I think,
I have
let's
it.
see what No, not the pin. I
Oh,
was
the pin.
just
Oh,
gonna
the sander.
see what this.
Our sander, Lander. Handy dandy sander.
Since it's still a little damp, just wanted to see what it looked like if you sanded it a little bit to make that a little smoother. Oh yeah, that makes a big difference. And I'll wet sand it so that it gets to be really smooth because it's still a little wet. But yeah, that's so much better. Makes it much smoother.
If we do this next time, tell us in the comments below what colors we should do. We have this pink.
I don't know if I'm going to use it again.
I don't know, but we might try it. Who knows? The lavender. It's a really pretty color, I thought. The tropical blue is what they want to call it, but I think it's teal.
We might use like just regular acrylic paint.
That might work too. And blue. Just pretty blue. And we have these, they're actually like acrylic paints. Not water marbling paints. And we got all the colors.
Yeah, we have lots of colors in those, don't we?
Oh, we even got some sparkly ones too.
I'll let Riley pick them out. But I gotta order some more Magic Pour first. I'm out completely. Excuse me.
Hold on. You have to tell us down below what you guys think of this color though. Like, we use this all the time. And it's super pretty.
I don't
Shiny.
know if that would show up because it's clear. When it dries clear.
Right. But it is shiny though.
Yeah.
It ends up shiny. It is really cute. We'll see.
I'll let Riley pick the colors for the next one, and we'll. Excuse me.
I think we might know what colors we're doing.
Yeah, we'll let Riley pick the next colors for the next tray, but
we gotta order the
I'll
Magic
let this
Pours.
dry and get it sanded on the bottoms and get a edge put on it, and I'll get pictures at the how did glitter get in there?
How did
Get some pictures and put it at the end of the video. So alright guys, so let us know what you think in the comments, and we'll move on to the next video.
Bye.
See y'all later. Bye.
Sure you